Welcome back to Floor Decor's Ask an Expert. I'm your host, John. Today we are tackling our top 5 tile questions from customers. We have our product expert, John, here for advice on our tile project solutions. First question that seems to be on our customers' minds is, how do I choose a grout color?
I'm glad this is top of mind because the grout color can change the look and feel of any tile project. The most common choice is tone-on-tone grout, where the grout is a close match to the tile. This reduces the appearance of grout lines. However, contrasting grout is gaining popularity. It emphasizes the tile's shape. If you're installing floor tile, consider dark grout to disguise dirt and debris.
Look for the F&D Grout Guide in-store and speak with a design services expert for tools or samples for color pairing. Watch the Grout Buying Guide video for even more tips, linked in the description below. Next question, what tile can I install on my shower floors?
The more grout and texture, the better when it comes to your shower floor. It increases the slip resistance when wet. Most natural stone and porcelain tiles are suitable for a shower floor, and be sure to select from smaller tiles, penny rounds, or mosaics because they're ideal for building traction and are also on trend.
I'm really glad you mentioned porcelain. Seems to be on our customers' minds too. The next question was, what is the difference between the porcelain and the ceramic tile?
Porcelain is dense and weather resistant because it's baked at higher temperature and is made with finer raw materials. Use porcelain for a variety of outdoor, indoor, and bathroom projects. Marble and wood-look porcelain is a popular bathroom tile option because of its durability. I especially recommend exploring the large format options like Maximo. Their scale is incredible, so the sheer size allows the detail to breathe and be an inspirational feature in the home. Ceramic tile is useful for any indoor project. We don't recommend it for outdoor installations given the composition, but it's a great option for in-home floors and walls. So when you're doing an in-home project, shop porcelain and ceramic tile and select a design you like best.
Look for the Tile 101 link in the description for tile details about all the materials. Next up, for outdoor tile, do I always need a sealer?
Let's start with the grout. Grout sealer is a necessity for longevity of outdoor tile installation. Sealer creates a barrier between the moisture, weather, and grout holding the tile in place. It will spare you time and potentially costly replacements in the long run. For the tile itself, porcelain does not require a sealer. However, slate, travertine, and other stones do require a sealer.
Last but not least, customers are really curious about this new type of tile product. What is Connexion Tile?
Connexion is a Floor Decor exclusive brand of quick-lock porcelain tile. Imagine skipping the mortar and installing in 3 easy steps. First, you put down the underlayment, then lock the tiles in place in grout. Connexion tile installation can be done in as little as 1 day. There are beautiful marble, stone, and wood looks available.
That wraps up our top 5 tile questions from you guys. As always, feel free and come in store, speak with an expert, and visit design services for even more project tips. I'll see you in store.